nkomo akra ena no ono so ene enso ediye na answer be kom no yemfa ndahye no yemfa ma 1xbet.com sanso ena eye jifas mixture ene enmeko bi aka eka ho sabre omo ena eboama yede agudie mu nsem no yede eno so abro na oswafo no ena hwembabu no ene agudie ensem so honorable Mustafa Yusuf ena wode nsem kakra etudwa Chirese Ura Hughton ono and head coach Adom the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana no papa no ase kwan wonam so no kwan pa enti de aka ene se oman Ghana so no ye de support kese pa ebema Hughton.
Whoever tells you that Baba Yara Stadium is the only FIFA or CAF certified stadium is not telling the truth. He's committed to his job. He's dedicated. He has the experience, and we can all see that he has just started on a very good note. So let's all rally behind him and give him the maximum support to coach our national team, and so that we can achieve the objective that we have set for ourselves as a country. That is what I can say on the national team coach, Hughton.
What are those objectives?
The objectives are set by the FA for him to ensure that we qualify for AFCON, also to ensure that he identified local talent from our league, to also ensure that we qualify for World Cup, and also to make sure that our ranking in the FIFA ranking improve. These are the objectives in the contract that he has signed, and that's why I'm saying that it is too early to judge him. Just for 2 games, you are judging a coach will not be fair. Let's rally or give him all the support.
Etiwe ensema oswafo no ena hwembabu no ene agudie ensem so wode tudwa se emprempresi kase ye de wura no etu susu kruwa so anese enye dia eye ne kwanmu nemum ye de echita no yeta na chipa dia eno ebetimi aboa owie ena wo sande nkomo akra etudwa efa kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium ena no mpanifo kire se omu ACC ne yahwe na stadium no etimi agyan na so pa no opening the nsem kakra so tudwa fa.
Whoever tells you that Baba Yara Stadium is the only FIFA or CAF certified stadium is not telling the truth. We have Cape Coast Sports Stadium, is also certified by CAF. We have Accra Sports Stadium, also certified by CAF. All our stadiums, the 3 stadiums, the other ones are going under renovation. Esipon is currently undergoing renovation. Oh, inshallah, we are working steadily to ensure that the needed sports infrastructure, the facilities that are needed to host the next African Games, March 2024, even though it's Accra 2023, all those infrastructure will be ready before the date. We are working 24/7 to ensure that those facilities are ready. And you can see now when you are just heading towards University of Ghana, that work is progressing steadily.
Ejina se we oswafo awono ene hwe embabunu ene agudie ensem so honorable Mustafa Yusuf ena wode sansem we so wode etu ye nim ne yebesan atoa so nemom karase no so se sedimo gel ene roll-on enso eye sonko amekanfo ede amana no pa gel no na se unim se massage ena oye nko ade mpacho edro we ye de massage kama ye de twetwe bia otise eya no obia no ohia sedimo gel ene anope enonso ebetimi aboa pa ama no manso etimi akoye enso ede amana yensa entoa so ewo the Black Queens of Ghana so asoye ena no ena mpedefo edebetu dwase team no eguso esese na won de Ghana ene eye Senegal ehwese omde ayonfa kensie ba konso ebetimi ede apemso na no ena urema lawyer Prosper Harris Nado eye General Secretary Edma Ghana Football Association wocheche mu ne ntia ene yakona yene Senegal for edisa ayonfa kensie no yede epemso.
And then with the other national teams as well, you will see the developmental plans coming to bear. The Queens, the senior women's national teams, have been utilizing the FIFA windows. So this current window, we engaged Algeria and they were ready to come. Unfortunately, at the last hour, they wrote to us that circumstances beyond their control will not allow them to come. Immediately, we triggered another negotiations with a number of countries. We are able to get Senegal. So Senegal are coming to town. We'll play 2 matches with them, and then we'll progress and see to it that the team will be in shape when the competitive matches come. Again, a lot of finances go into this. The way it works is that when you invite a team to come to your country, there are a few costs you pick up. And then currently we have a number of foreign players for the women's side, and so it also costs money to bring them into the country. But as we did in the friendlies, the friendly that we play against Benin, we invited some foreign players. Currently, there are a number of them in town now, in camp. So we need a fair balance. We would want to play every time there is a window, but you have to look at your resources too. So you put in buffers to make sure that you are comfortable on the financial side, and then you are comfortable on the technical side in terms of it.
We and Sama opinion so what the etujana mamemfa enremo ewo akutukubo eno eye boxing na nei urema boxing promoter kase pa ene wiase nyina dodo na ati ne din no eye owura Bob ARUM na no na ene woni yenua Nathaniel Ato enso akohia adi nkomo pa di kan na wakasaye erefa oman Ghana ye boxing anase akutukubo ene dachi ene ebibiremu nyina po boxing dachi we na wosan ede etudwa efa ekwan Ghana kra no ebetumi ahwe na nde water kase pa bia na nde yaje asiasia so na nte oman mo ende bukum boxing arena na ke host no kama na no so etimi awie peyo pa na wosan so ede nkomo akra ehihye so efa Ghana yenso ye boxer kase pa yenya no owura Azumah Nelson ene no so wakasa ede afa na ho yentie san nkomo a Nathaniel Ato ene eye owura Bob ARUM atwitwe ye ni bi.
If the young man is cut from the same cloth as Azumah, as Quartey, as now Dogbe, yeah, of course. But again, I'm not naive. Just because they're Ghanaians and they were so good as fighters and as human beings doesn't mean every kid from Ghana is going to be the same.
The same, right.
So again, yeah, I mean, but certainly if somebody comes to us with a fighter from Ghana, we're going to take a look at him. We're going to take a look at him and see if he fits into the program, and hopefully they will. I mean, one day, I hope that boxing becomes so popular in Africa that countries like Ghana start hosting major title fights. Is that
Ejina se we enkoma ekoso enkoma ne doso nyame yadoma emresem ye de aka so ebeba apeso ede ama mamefa enwie ewo MTN FA Cup ejumede kese pa manga na mu ade otum sampa ye ka competition ba ko a ejina na so pa MTN FA Cup sanse eno ehyase edi free division 2 ne aboboa na fe nya division 1 for no mo so Asia kana ba premier for no na se ejina musa antie no obehwe no ye ka FA Cup a no mo age so se obia enyo obia na be bia dro no eni quarter final matches no nyame ya atoma ene ena dwumedie no ebi nso etimi atodwa atese ne no urema Dreams FC ene Lagos Cities omo ena ede epim so na afi nyame ya atoma ekina so no RTU ene Insuatreman omo nso etimi ede aboani na kwasiada sei ene chie ya de Sky FC ene Ebusuados ede beboani sanso ena Kinfesa enso ene eye nese Aduana Stars ena omo nso ebetimi ede apem so ntiana wahye no so se MTN FA Cup no kotoko ene House of Folk nyina no player edrei omo nyina nso afri monti we eye matches kakra ebetimi atototodwa ewo FA Cup ni mano pay mede eno nso emunchiemo no mede eja kamapa na onso ehun sedia enhihye no nso esifa etie yedi si kwa Easter Games no hye nso se eno nso ade ba kwa etina nyame ya adoma baso dendene pa ewo empire so na se we no adwumede sonko a Adom TV, Adom FM, ene Asempa FM. Enti yese Asempa FM kwa Easter Games. Baso dendene pa ewo eye empraye so nti nyame adoma hwe community saudo a omode omho agim no eye ahodo be se edu achese ne mpanifo a nhihye ne se ye bo group stages no ewie na fe ye bo semi final no so ewie a nyade se ye be bo third place bia ne se dia Euros no eye ya Adom TV ye cover edema no sa pepepe na kwa Easter Games no so no ye ko akoye no ye ko cover no live enso ede amawa eno so enya dia eda fonkra enso anti bomode ada se kwa Easter Games no onso obetimi edon ho agim ye ka Easter ho nsemi dia onimi se Rich Kata Entertainment enso kire se nyame ya adoma memenenda omonso ede work sonko ehyehyehye so ewo eye empokura no ayimensa na yafo bepo no ede akoso sebe ya ahoden so ebetimi abapa ye ka ahoden dia fandase no fama Jeffas Jeffas was a papa a drosonko a uboremo our pharmacy shop biema Jeffas was a papa sanso ena a sedimo and so a drosonko American for the amount sedimo gel no me pacho and they say usisi ena yaoya and I say ukutuje ena yaoya empose a yao ena ote el wachia bomode ada se obepe a sedimo gel ni bi na onso no watimi ayusu pharmacy shop biema uborema obenya bi namum opedodo atua no afre 0208986731 anase empo obetumi afre 0208219129 nese sedimo gel no onso watimi enya bi enei enkratasem eyadwuma ba ko a youth no ene o my Ghana ya jatumpa 1xbet.com eye company ba ko a menka fodi ama se eba na enkratasem dia bobremo na ono wo so entime endijuma 1xbet eye betting company kase pa menka fo ede ama mamenyina so na enkomaudo na no penso yobobo ano no memfa eno so ensi ewa ha midin ede Cobblestone okomankra ba ko amaka ensuroja adura enwono numero 1 sheshe